2023, there's a lot of noise about recession talks, about people, experiencing a crunch in their finances or expenditure. And I seen that. I was just in Paris and London, guys, before Switzerland. By the way, I'm in Switzerland right now. And I really seen that. Looking at people's faces, you can really tell how happy or sad they are, how tired they are. All of these things, if you go to a tube, for example, in London, you look at people's faces, they're tired, right? And it's very important that you accumulate a little bit of wealth in your life. And of course, the next question is, why do I have to do that? Well, so you can come to places like this and experience life, experience what God has to offer. Some of you, you were born into countries that are just, I'm gonna say it straight away, depressing, guys. Even if you want to progress, your environment is just depressed. Like, you want to try do something, somebody's gonna hold you back, or your environment itself is gonna hold you back, because you look around, nobody's doing anything. When nobody's doing anything, how do you expect yourself to say, you know what, I'm gonna be something? It doesn't work like that. When you see people doing something with their life, you're gonna say, I want to do the same thing. Some of you are in bad environments. So escaping the environment will be the first step, but unfortunately you cannot escape it and come to these places to go to Dubai without money. That's the reality. So you're gonna have to work with what you have. Now the next question is, well, Zed, now that you told me, I have to be successful, I have to make money so I can experience life a little bit. How do I do it? Well, guys, everything works. Everything you touch works. The person in charge of making it work stops working, and that business fails because that person stops working. And that's why businesses fail. That's why trading fails, because the person starts developing some sort of emotional characteristics like greed, like gambling, and they fail at that. That's why any YouTuber will not see views. Some YouTubers start YouTubing, they don't see views, they give up. Except YouTube works, and it's been proven, because everybody that has succeeded at it has shown that it works. Every business you touch will work. The moment you stop working or get demotivated, the business fails. Everything works. Now, of course, some businesses or some ideas might not be suitable to you or what you want out of life. That's why a lot of you say, you know what, Zed, I like trading because I can trade from a laptop. Yes, but some of you are not cut out for risk. Some of you have emotional damage, where you enter the world of trading, you start to gamble, and as a result you fail. So you have to develop all of these things in order to see some success. And like I said, every business works, everything works except the trader. Once the trader gets demotivated and they start allowing their past or their emotions to get involved, they become damaged. The business becomes damaged. So getting wealthy, guys, is no longer a choice. It's an obligation. We enter the world, or it's just actually not just one place, it's everywhere, where you have to go looking for answers, and everybody's looking for answers. Those answers have already been answered on this channel. I've already answered it before. Everything works. Pick up something, try it, learn, keep learning. If you failed, you get back up, you do something else, or you get better at what you failed at. You really never fail. You either win or you grow. And some businesses it's okay to let go of. There's no point of sticking at something that's really not going to, or you keep failing at and you're not learning from, and you think, you know what, yeah, I know the reason, but then you go ahead and do the same thing, the same mistake. So it's not really something you can get better at. That's what I'm trying to say. Some businesses it's okay to just take and shoot and let go of. But if you know you can get better at something and you see yourself improving, then stick with that thing, because that thing is what's going to take you to where you want to be. Okay? Everything works. It's the person in charge of it that stops working, that causes the business to stop working, or whatever, trading. Now, a lot of you traders, you start trading, you make money, you get comfortable, and you think this is it. No. Till today, I'm learning about trading. Till today, I'm learning how to do better things. Or, cleanse and adapt with the market. And you will have to adapt with the market. I don't make up things when I talk to you guys. Everything I say is as a result of experience. Whether it's business, whether it's trading, because I'm in both. So I know for a fact that everything can work and will work if you become an artist. In other words, a master architect or a technician. Because if you're a businessman, you are a technician. You know, you're learning, you're researching paths and ways to tackle things, whether it's trading or business. If you're a trader, you're researching how to become a better trader, and you're refining your strategy, how to approach the market better. Okay? And that's what leads you to success, is constant refining. Guys, this is the year where if you haven't started working on your shit, get your shit together and focus on working on your businesses, whatever you pick up. I don't care. Similarly, if you don't know how to trade, you show up to trade in one day and you start just clicking buttons, of course you're gonna fail because you haven't prepared for it. That's why it takes some of you at least 12 months to actually see success and consistency. That's why it takes some of you 2 years, because you're on and off it. And that's why you pick up a business, you see some little pennies and you say, this is not good enough for me. Well, of course you're going to see pennies at the start. You're not going to see millions at the start. Nobody sees millions. So, I wish you guys success. This is the year. Let me know in the comment section if you're going to get it by the horn, as they say, and tackle it, whatever the saying is. But I wish you guys show up here one day. This beautiful place. I wish you guys success. Peace.